This one time, I was working at Shoney's in Nashville, Tennessee. And they hired this new kid. I don't know. He was maybe 19, 20 years old. And at this time, he really liked this song called Insane in the Brain by Cypress Hill. So all day he was going around singing it. Insane in the membrane. Insane in the brain. So hold on. So all day long, he's going around singing a song, right? What the hell? Got stuck in there. So, part of his job was to replace the dishes because Shoney's is a place. It's kind of like a, you walk in there and it's kind of like a buffet thing. So like he washed dishes too, and fed the buffet, stocked it, you know, so that people could eat, put plates out there and stuff like that. So he would make scrambled eggs. And he'd like put like two whole dozen eggs on at a time, because that's how fast people ate them. So anyway, he finished cooking his scrambled eggs. And he went out to the dining room to collect all the dirty plates that people had left behind. And he had a huge stack of them, like 40 plates. So he comes into the kitchen and he's singing, "Insane in the membrane, insane in the brain." Then he walks back out and he gets some more plates. By that time, the floor in the restaurant was starting to get greasy, like it does every day. So anyway, he comes through the door and he's going, Insane in the membrane. Insane in the... I think every plate that he was holding broke. And the whole restaurant started laughing. It was funny. Goodbye!